I explain what is the significance of this Khongchat War Memorial Complex where Rahulji will pay his foreign tribute before flag off this Bharat Joro Nahi Jatra. Why we select and propose this site? You people know, I think even the national media also may knows. Initially, when Rahulji select, ultimately, subsequently, All India Congress Committee, a working committee, has decided, yes, this time we should have to be start from Manipur. This is most fortunate for us. Why? All India Congress Committee, particularly our leader, Shri Rahulji, has selected, you know better why he is selecting the Manipur, that will explain later on. But why we select Khongchat, initially we have approached with politely to the present government. We want to do from the city area of Imphal. That is why any other union minister and any other BJP or our Congress party also, always we are using this meeting venue, that is, we used to call it sometimes Hapta Kangjibung and palace, all palace, in front of all palace compound also. Since January 2nd, we approached to the authority, that is state government, please grant permission. This will not, there will be absolutely no violence. It is Rahulji's peace message. So please granted permission. They are not agreed. Our PCC president met personally. Let us forget about the bureaucrat official, including chief secretary and the DGP. Even the chief minister also, he met, he requested, he said, sorry, we cannot allow this Hapta Kangjibung, gathering of public and public meeting, all these things. Later on, when it has become to the notice of the national media, then he advised to the chief secretary that has granted permission subject to the following condition: gathering should not be exceed not more than 1,000. Then we have decided, let us select some area where belongs to the private party, not government land. So ultimately we have decided to select one private place where there is Khongchat War Memorial Complex. If I a little bit explain about the significance and the importance, historical importance of Khongchat War 1891. You know, I would say a few words about Manipur. People maybe know, may not be know. India attained independence in 1947. But whereas this Anglo-Manipuri War, Khongchat War, it was happened 1891. So Manipur never part of, by the time, India or Assam. Our neighboring states like Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, and Mizoram, and including Sikkim, are all part of Assam. We are never part of Assam, and never part of Myanmar also. Till 1949, only when Manipur was merged with the Indian Union, till 1949, India never part of India, either part of India or Assam. We are princely, independent, sovereign kingdom. In the northeast, Manipur and the Tripura. When we have merged with the Indian Union, 1949, we have became part of this vast country, India. Now we are citizen of this vast country, that is Indian Union. So this 1891, Khongchat war, this is the last Anglo-Manipuri. That Manipuri, that means India and the British last war. By the time our heroes, if I mention number of people who die in that war, it is uncountable. But few heroes, if I mention Pauna Brajabasi, he knows he will definitely defeat in the hand of British, but he never surrendered. Instead of surrendering to the British, mighty British, better to die 100 times. So ultimately, they cut his neck. So this is one of the most historically important, not only Manipur, for India also. We'll never forget it. So during our time, with great difficulty, we have rebuilt, and it was inaugurated by our then President of India, Pranab Kumar Mukherjee. So we have proposed this when Rahulji came here for fact of this Bharat Joro Nyaya Jatra. Before he track of this Bharat Joro Nyaya Jatra, he will enter there with few honorable All India Congress Committee President Mallikarjun Kharge ji, and will flooring tribute to the Khongchat War Memorial Complex. And today, I don't know, this Bharat Joro Jatra, Manipur, we have our like-minded 10 political parties is there. I don't think today we may not be able to invite them. They also will definitely join here. And also, they will participate in our tomorrow's public gathering, that is Bharat Joro Nyaya Jatra. So, with these few words, I would like to explain how Manipur has become and what is the present status of Manipur. I don't like to say much because Rahulji said that it is not a political rally. This is a rally of peace, justice, as Dayarandi already explained. So, you know Manipur, how we are so troubled now, we are burning, still it is continue. I don't like to say much about that. With these few words, thanks Jairamji for interesting, for explaining these few words. Thank you.